Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Roblox notifications. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you can see here, I'm on an iPhone opening up Roblox. You can do the same steps on Android or a computer. Now, there are two different places we need to turn this on. The first place is in Roblox, and then the second place is on your device, iPhone, Android. So let's tap on More at the very bottom right. After we've done that, let's tap on Settings here. And now you'll be able to look and see all of your settings. We need to go into the notification settings, again, just within Roblox, and then do it on your phone. So tap on Notifications and then open this up. Most of the time, you're looking for mobile push notifications. These are push notifications that will show up in the control center of your phone or the notification center, just like that. Make sure that Do Not Disturb is not turned on. If it is, you won't get those notifications. And then go through this entire list and make sure everything that you want to be turned on is turned on. You can also choose to turn on desktop notifications, as well as email or experience or community notifications if you wanted to. However, even though these are turned on, that doesn't mean you'll get notifications to your device because we need to allow them on your device as well. To do that, let's hop out of here and open up the Settings app on your iPhone or Android or computer. Now, from here, let's tap on Notifications and then scroll down until we find Roblox on this list. And then open that up. You can see Allow Notifications is turned off. So even though it was turned on in the app, I won't get notifications until I turn this on. And you can see Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners, Sounds, and Badges. If any of these are turned off or disabled, just tap them to enable it. And now you'll get all of those notifications directly to your iPhone, Android, or computer. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. And leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.